How to get the reply option on Instagram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily update Instagram Messenger so then you get the reply option on Instagram that allows you to long press a DM on Instagram and reply to that specific message. So if you don't have this option currently, by the end of this tutorial, you should have it. And if this video helps you, consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, if I switch to the Gauging Gadgets Instagram account, I do not have the ability to long press and reply to a specific direct message on Instagram. So in order to fix this, we're going to go through a couple different steps that hopefully give us this ability. The first thing we need to do is simply make sure that we have the latest version of Instagram installed on our iPhone or Android phone. And you can easily do that by simply opening up your respective app store, either the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android phone, then find and select Instagram. And if there's an update available, select Update, so then it updates the app on your phone. Now that we've ensured that we have the latest version of Instagram on our iPhone or Android phone, in order to actually get the reply option, we need to update Messenger within Instagram. So if when you're on the home screen, you see the little paper airplane in the top right for your messages, rather than the Messenger icon in the top right, as you can see right there, this means you have not yet updated Messenger within your Instagram app to be able to gain the reply option. So to update Messenger, all we need to do is select our profile icon in the bottom right of Instagram. Then from our profile, select the 3 horizontal bars in the top right to open the menu, and then select Settings. Once you get into Settings, as you can see, it says Update Messaging. If you don't see this, simply search Update, and it should come up. All we need to do is select Update Messaging, and then as you can see, it'll tell us what features we gain on Instagram, and all we need to do is select Update. And now when I go back to the home screen, I see the Messenger app in the top right, and if I open up a message, I can long press it and select reply to that specific DM within Instagram. And if you're still not seeing the reply option after updating Messenger on Instagram, what I recommend doing is backing out and going back to the home screen of Instagram, then going to your profile, opening up the menu again by selecting the 3 horizontal bars in the top right, select Settings at the top, and then we just want to scroll down to Help and then select Report a Problem. From here, select Report Problem without shaking. And then you just want to report this problem to Instagram because they'll probably be able to update your Instagram Messenger for you and fix this issue. All right, so that's how you get the reply option on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.